We begin tonight with concerns about a resurgence of COVID-19 in this country and the efforts to stop the spread, particularly among younger Canadians. The message to avoid large gatherings doesn't seem to be getting through to everyone. In British Columbia, the COVID-19 curve is on pace to climb faster in September than it did in March. And the majority of the new infections are among young adults in their 20s and 30s. So, starting this weekend, officials in BC are keeping tabs on large gatherings, conducting spot checks at banquet halls and other venues open to the public, ensuring that proper protocols and physical distancing are being followed. But trying to limit spontaneous gatherings in outdoor spaces is a tougher challenge. Global's Nadia Stewart joins us now from Vancouver, where video of a late-night street party is raising eyebrows. Nadia.
Jeff, there is mounting frustration amongst health officials as it seems some younger British Columbians just aren't getting the message. Even as the number of cases continues to climb, new videos show some are flouting COVID-19 guidelines. This was the scene on Granville Street in downtown Vancouver in the early hours of Saturday morning. Bar and club owners say when they reach capacity, they turn people away. But it seems some late-night revelers come prepared with speakers and subwoofers, launching their own impromptu street party. Vancouver police say they quickly broke up this gathering, but sources tell Global News this scene continued until at least 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. There is, of course, the risk of transmission, but bars and clubs are also worried if this continues, they could be shut down again. And they say many establishments won't survive a second round of closures.
Unbelievably frustrating and disappointing. People decided to have a street party during a global pandemic. I mean, this is serious, and that needs to be stringently enforced. You're putting even police officers who might try and enforce that at risk from it.
Between the late-night street parties and drum circles in plain sight, efforts are being made to communicate this urgent message to younger British Columbians that physical distancing must be maintained, along with socializing in much smaller groups than what's shown here. Actors Ryan Reynolds and Seth Rogen answered Premier John Horgan's call to get the message out to younger British Columbians. But some say what's needed now is more enforcement. They're calling for a crackdown on those caught ignoring the rules. Back to you, Jeff.
Nadia Stewart in Vancouver, thanks.